everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my curly hair routine. I'm going to show you everything from when I wash my hair to when I put in my product to when I dry it and the final product. Today I'm going to be using Innersense Organics products, and I have switched over to this product about last year when I started my curly hair journey. I went to a curly hair specialist and these were the products that she uses, and it was really important to me to switch my products over to ones that were less toxic and more organic. So I was really happy that these were the products that she was using, and I've been using them ever since. And my curls have come back to life. I've actually never seen my curl pattern ever in my whole life look this good. So I'm actually really happy with them. So I'll show you exactly what I do to get these curls.
Alright, I'm coming in from a workout and my hair has been straight now for a number of days, almost a week. So I'm going to be showing my process of how I take it from being straightened to curly and showing all of the steps in between. I'm going to be starting with the Innersense Hydrating Cream Hair Bath to wash it, and then I'll follow up with the Coral Essences So Deep Repair Hair Mask to restore some moisture, and then finish with the Hydrating Cream Conditioner. Let's get started. Alright, so we're starting with the Hydrating Cream Hair Bath. And then I like to brush through my tangles, especially while I'm doing the deep conditioner with my Easy Detangler. And then I finish up with the hydrating conditioner and wash everything out with cold water. Washing your hair in cold water at the end helps close the cuticles of your hair shaft, which will leave your hair shiny and really helps your curl pattern return. So after I'm done in the shower, I leave my hair to air dry. I don't put a towel because I want to leave as much moisture and water in there as possible. And then I begin sectioning it off so I can apply my product to different sections of my hair so it's thoroughly saturated. For Innersense products to really be effective, you need to add a lot of water to activate the product. Then follow up the Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner, so you're adding all of the necessary nutrients and hydration that your curls are going to need. Then I follow up with the Quiet Calm Curl Control because I want my curls to be hydrated as well as defined. So this really helps take away any frizz and give some definition to my curls. I apply a small amount to my hand and rake it through that section of curls. And then I follow up with the I Create Hold, and this is the gel to now hold the curls and make sure that they are well defined and last for a number of days. I take my brush and I brush it through, which really helps define and separate the curls, and I just give it a little bit of a bounce up just to help define the curls at the very end. Don't scrunch, but just a little pop up. And then I repeat this whole process again in each section of my hair, the entire sequence of a water, leave-in conditioner, curl control, and then the gel. And I do it over and over again until I finish my whole head. Okay, now that all of my product has been applied throughout my entire head, it's now time to start the drying process. So I'm going to break out my hair dryer and place on my diffuser, and then I add the Hair Love Prep Spray just to help protect from any heat damage from the hair dryer. And I start diffusing my hair all over. I try to start from the roots and then head out to the ends of my hair. Alright, we are almost done. My hair is close to being dry, so I'm going to go in with my trusty pick and I'm going to pick out the roots of my hair. It really adds some definition and some volume to my curls and really starts separating, and then I kind of let my hair dry the rest of the way. It's about 80% dry now, but I do the last 20% by air, and you'll see my curls become more and more defined by the time that I reach the end of this video.
This is the final product. This is what my hair looks like after I have done all of the hair drying and fluffed it up a little bit. And I find actually my curls look even better on day 2 than the first day because they get even fuller and fluffier, and I really enjoy day 2 and 3 afterwards. But for the first day, this is actually quite fluffy and voluminous, considering that my hair was straightened before this, and so I was a little concerned that my curl pattern wouldn't bounce back as well for this wash, but maybe the next one. But I'm actually very, very happy, and that is the wonderful thing about the Innersense products. They really keep my hair really, really healthy, and I find that they can really bounce back from any dryness or from the fact that I have color treated my hair, and they've managed to really keep my curl pattern intact, and my curl pattern continues to get stronger and stronger. So I really love that. Highly recommend Innersense products. If you have not tried them, you just got to make sure that you use them the correct way. That is it. That is everything for this week's video. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and I will see you next week.